Hello students, welcome to Bridge Academy Grade 9 Biology Unit 3 Tutorials Lesson 11, Chloroplasts Introduction. Chloroplasts are special structures found in the cells of green plants. They are essential for helping plants produce their own food. These organelles are primarily located in the leaves. Chloroplasts are vital because they capture sunlight energy for a process called photosynthesis. In these notes, we will first examine the structure of chloroplasts and then explore their function in plants. Structure of chloroplasts. Chloroplasts are organelles with a double membrane. This means they have two layers of protection, an outer membrane and an inner membrane. These membranes work together to protect the contents inside the chloroplast. Within the chloroplast, there are stacks of tiny discs called thylakoids. These thylakoids contain a green pigment called chlorophyll, which gives plants their green color. The stacks of thylakoids are called grana. Surrounding the thylakoids is a fluid-filled area called the stroma. The stroma supports the thylakoids and plays a role in the photosynthesis process. Chloroplasts are mostly found in the leaf cells of plants. The flat, wide shape of leaves helps chloroplasts capture more sunlight. Inside the leaf cells, chloroplasts can move to position themselves for the best sunlight exposure. Function of chloroplasts. The primary function of chloroplasts is to carry out photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, chloroplasts use sunlight, carbon dioxide from the air, and water from the soil. The chlorophyll in the thylakoids absorbs sunlight, which provides the energy to combine carbon dioxide and water. This process produces a type of sugar called carbohydrates. Carbohydrates serve as the plant's food, giving it energy to grow. As a byproduct, photosynthesis also releases oxygen into the air. This oxygen is essential for humans and animals to breathe. The thylakoids and stroma work together to ensure photosynthesis happens efficiently. Thylakoids capture sunlight, while the stroma is where carbohydrates are made. Without chloroplasts, plants could not use sunlight to produce food, and life on Earth would be affected due to the lack of oxygen. Summary: chloroplasts are double membrane organelles found mainly in the leaf cells of green plants. Their structure includes thylakoids, which contain chlorophyll, and stroma, which supports photosynthesis. The thylakoids are organized into grana, and the chloroplasts can move within cells to capture sunlight effectively. The main function of chloroplasts is photosynthesis, where they use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to produce carbohydrates and oxygen. These carbohydrates fuel plant growth, while the oxygen supports life on Earth. Understanding the structure and function of chloroplasts shows their critical role in plant survival and the ecosystem. Review questions and answers. Question 1. What is the main function of chloroplasts in plant cells? Answer. The main function of chloroplasts is to carry out photosynthesis, where they use sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to produce carbohydrates and oxygen. Question 2. What are the two membranes that protect a chloroplast? Answer. Chloroplasts have an outer membrane and an inner membrane that work together to protect the contents inside. Question 3. What is the name of the green pigment found in chloroplasts, and what does it do? Answer. The green pigment is called chlorophyll, and it absorbs sunlight to provide energy for photosynthesis. Question 4. What are thylakoids, and how are they organized inside chloroplasts? Answer. Thylakoids are tiny discs inside chloroplasts that contain chlorophyll. They are stacked together in groups called grana. Question 5. Where are chloroplasts mostly found in plants, and why is this location important? Answer. Chloroplasts are mostly found in the leaf cells of plants. This location is important because leaves are flat and wide, helping chloroplasts capture more sunlight for photosynthesis.